go from $0 to $1,000 in your first month on Amazon KDP while in your pajamas or your underwears. Go from $0 to $1,000 in your first month on Amazon KDP while in your underwears, and this is possible. And hello guys, now welcome to another episode of Make Money Online right here on Netlands. And of course, you guys know I'm your one and only Olawale Yusuf. And first of all, before we get into this ditch, I'm gonna say Happy New Year to you all, since this is the first video I'm gonna be making in this year 2024. Now this year 2024, I want you guys to know that you're going to be making a whole lot of money, and it's going to be over the top. Like, you're going to be going from $0 to huge amounts in dollars. Now let me stop wasting your time. Now this video is about you making more than $1,000 monthly and starting from your first month. Now first, before we get into this, now you need to know one thing, that this is not a get rich quick scheme, guys. Forget about the old people telling you you can make $1 billion in a month, you can make 100 and something billion dollars in few seconds. Forget the old crap right now. Now here you're trying to make a sustainable income. So you all could not just go from 0 to 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 in the first month. No, it's impossible, okay? If you're starting, well, some of you can make $500 the first month, some of you can make even $1,000 in the first month, but some of you could also make as little as $100 in the first month. But I'm guaranteeing you that if you follow everything I'm going to be teaching you right in this video edition, because this is a series of videos, we're going to be teaching you guys a whole lot of things. But I'm going to be starting first with the creation of account, which is from Amazon KDP. Now, I'm going to be teaching you guys a whole lot of things. Now, this series is about Amazon KDP. Now, you're going to go from $0 to $1,000 in your first month on Amazon KDP while in your pajamas or your underwears. Go from $0 to $1,000 in your first month on Amazon KDP while in your underwears. And this is possible, and you can make more than that every month. You're going to be receiving these payments every month from Amazon. Now, in case one of you think, is this true? Is this not true? Well, let's head to my Google Gmail account. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I've been making income from Amazon every month. I'm not going to be showing you guys the figure, but I'm definitely going to show you guys the payment slip, or how Amazon sends me payments every month, because I receive payment email from Amazon every month. You want to see it? Let's go. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Now let's head to my Amazon accounts. Okay, my Gmail, sorry. Okay, now here we're in my Gmail account. Let's refresh, because a lot of people like to think that it's possible to actually tweak something in your Gmail account if you are not refreshing. So I'm just going to refresh for you guys to see. As you can see, I come here and I hit the refresh button, so you could see it reloads. Boom. So now my Gmail account just reloads itself. Now let's wait for it to pop up. So after it pops up, what we're going to do is we are going to go to the search bar, and we're going to search for Amazon KDP payments. And we are going to check if it's true that Amazon pays me every month, or I'm just a bloody liar. Okay guys, so let's go. Now it loads up, and let's go to the search bar. Now here's the search bar. So I'm going to type Amazon KDP payments, Amazon KDP payments, and we're going to check. Boom. Now let it loads up. 1, 2, and boom. Well, I think my network is acting out this morning, but let's give it a few more seconds. Okay, it's coming up. Boom, now we are here. And as you can see, I'm making this video on the 16th of February 2024. You could see, look at the date down here, 16th of February 2024. And you can see the last payment that pops up says January 21. So that's the 21st of January 2024. But you guys could think maybe it's late, so let's just open the first one, so at least we could get to see the exact date. Good. Now you can see payment made to Yusuf Olawale Idris, which is my full name, the payment number, and the payment date is 29th January 2024. As you can see, I didn't write this up. Now let's go back and check the date. Now, as you can see, guys, come over. Let's look at this side. Let me just zoom it for you guys to see what I'm talking about. Okay, now you can see payment January 21. Amazon always send their payment on the 20th or 21st of every month. Now, this is the last payment I received, which is in January. The one for this month is going to be coming up on the 20th, and today is 16th. Okay, so January. Now look at this. It says 12, 21, 23. That's December 2023. As you can see. Now let's keep going. Okay, as you can see, another one. It says 11, 21, 2023. That's November 2022. Now let's keep going down. We really need to go down. So let's keep going. Okay, you can see another one. 10, 31st, 10, 22. This is 10/22, 2023, 10/22, 2023. I think this payment came late. Others do come on the 21st. So this one's came on the 22nd, which is fine. Now let's go down 9 again. Now let's go down 8 again. Let's go down 7 again. Let's go down 6 again. Let's go down 5. Let's keep going. Okay, this is all for this page. I'm just going to go to the next page. So let's just go to the next page and see. Why am I showing you guys all this? I'm showing you guys all this so you could know that you got limitless possibility to actually make money online with Amazon KDP. I receive this payment every month without doing everything. The last time I checked my Amazon account was in the year 2020. The last time I went on Amazon KDP to actually publish something was the year 2020. I haven't touched it. I'm going to show you guys proof, of course. I'm going to go to my Amazon KDP account and we're going to see the last book I published. We're going to check the date. So let's see. Maybe I'm lying. Maybe I published something of recent. Maybe I published in the year 2023 or so. Maybe. So let's just check from here. Okay, now this is my Amazon KDP account. Okay. All right, now this is the last book I published on it. Oh, okay, and we can see here it says submitted on September 6, 2021. Okay, so that means I still published on the year 2021, and that's the last book I published. You can see 2020. So now, guys, this is exactly what I'm talking about. The last time I published on this account was the year 2021, and up to today I'm still receiving payments every month, which means I didn't touch the account in 2022, I didn't touch the account in 2023, and of course you guys see I still receive payment. Now this is exactly what I want you guys to start receiving. So are you convinced enough to get started? Well, if you're convincing enough to get started, hit the subscribe button, smash the bell icon, so whenever I drop the new video, you'll be one of the first few people to get started with this video. Now first, I'm going to talk about your mentality about making money before we get started. Why do I need to talk about this? Because a whole lot of people are in one of my groups. I would like to invite you guys to at least join my WhatsApp group because this is important. Of course, the WhatsApp group is now private due to some personal reasons. The mentality I'm talking about is you taking Amazon KDP as a means of income, not seeing it as a get-rich-quick scheme, like I said earlier. Seeing it as a way that you could make money online legally, seeing it as a normal job you're doing offline. Okay, if you get a job offline and you're working, do you see that job as a get-rich-quick scheme? I'm sure you're saying no right now. Good. You're not seeing that as a get-rich-quick scheme. So why do you want to see something you're doing online as a get-rich-quick scheme? Well, obviously it's because you're doing something not legal. Because if you're doing something legal, then you should not see it as a get-rich-quick scheme. Because most of the things that are making real money online is legal and not get-rich-quick scheme. Alright guys, so you need to know that in you. And two, you need to know that this is definitely not easy. If you're looking for something you're just going to do 1, 2, 3, boom, and money comes to your inbox, then I advise you to pause the video and just scroll up right now and keep going. Okay, see ya, bye bye. But if you're still here, then I believe that you really want to make money online and you want to do it the right way and you're ready to invest the energy that is needed. Amazon KDP, I'm going to teach you various ways where you're not going to spend $0. You're not even going to spend $0. However, you are going to be investing your energy and some time. The first time I wanted to post on Amazon KDP, I think I actually invested like 2 weeks of my time to publish a whole lot of books. That's because I know that I'm not going to be available to keep publishing. So I find 2 weeks, I created a lot of books, I think around 10 or 11. Then I found 2 days or 1 day, and maybe 1 or 2 days to sit down and actually publish this book. And that was hard. So you know you are going to be investing time. I'm not advising you now that you're going to do the way I did it. I'm just giving you the spoiler alert that this is not an easy job. It's not something you're just going to press 1 button, 2 button, and you just think that money is going to be flowing in. No, it's not going to be flowing in. Now that you have understood that, now let me talk to you about 1 or 2 things we're going to be teaching, we're going to be learning in this video. Number 1, we're going to be learning how to create an Amazon KDP account that actually sells. We're going to be creating a KDP account that actually sells books, that actually sells products. 2, we're going to be creating a payment account, which is Payoneer. We're going to be creating a Payoneer account which enables you to receive payment from Amazon directly to your Payoneer account. 3, we're also gonna be verifying an Amazon KDP account. What a lot of people don't tell you when they teach you about Amazon KDP, for those of you who have actually heard about Amazon KDP before, is that whenever you create your account on Amazon KDP, you're gonna be charged 30% tax. Yes, you got me right. 30% tax on every payment you want to receive. So that means if you earn $100 on Amazon this month, and Amazon's supposed to send you a $100 payment, they're going to be sending you $70. Sorry about that. However, if you are subscribed to my channel, well, good news for you. I'm going to be teaching you how to actually do it, and you're not going to be paying a dime, because you're only going to be paying 0% tax. Now, well, you're going to say, it's a lie, it's a lie. Okay, let's show you guys proof. Now, let's go back to my Amazon account, and we're going to check if I'm actually paying 30% tax. Woo! Now, we are here. As you can see, this is my Amazon account. Okay, so all you just have to do is to go to your Amazon account and hit the Your Account button. It's going to bring you right here to account.amazon.com. And scrolling down, as you can see, it says this is getting paid. You are set up to receive payment, because of course I always receive payment on it. Now scrolling down, you can see here it says tax information. Tax interview completed January 14th, 2021, and applicable withholding rate 0%. So now if you are someone who just created the account normally and just come here, do it anyhow you want to do it, you're going to have 30% in this particular place. It's going to show applicable withholding rate 30%. Well, if you don't want to believe me, you could go ahead and try it yourself. But I'm going to show you a simple way to actually do this, to actually get this 0%. So these are the things that I'm going to teach you. These are just part of the things you're going to learn from this video. All right, guys, now I can see that you are ready, because if you watch the video right from the beginning up to this moment, then welcome and congratulations. Now, the first video in this series, like I said earlier, is the creation of Amazon Kindle account. And of course, we are gonna get started. After seeing this video, just check the next video, which is obviously going to be how to create an Amazon KDP account. And once again, I'm congratulating you, because this series is definitely gonna change your life for the best. Yeah. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and smash the bell icon. So whenever I drop a new video, you'll be one of the first few people to actually see this video. And welcome once again. I'm congratulating you one more time. Now go ahead and watch the video on how to create Amazon KDP account that actually works. See you in the next video. Bye bye.